Hey guys, it is Soulcloth back again with another video, and today we're playing Terraria again, solo. And Jason is not in this one today. Alright, so I noticed something that I want to check out. It says you can put a crystal in this, so I'm going to see what you need. Oh, this is good. This stuff is really good. I wonder if you can have all the different kinds of necklaces on. Because I would totally have an amber, an amethyst, and a sapphire. And a topaz. That would all be really good. Alright. I gotta kill these guys. Oh wait. Open. There we go. I keep forgetting doors don't open automatically. Boom. Boom. The opal staff looks so cool. Let's see what I can craft. I can craft a silver sword. By quick. Okay. I'll craft that too. It'll take all my emeralds. Alright. And there might be another video later today. I don't know, but probably not. I was gonna try something else, but it didn't work, so we're stuck with this for now. Why does the opal look so cool? I wish this was in normal Terraria. Everything would look awesome. They should add opal into Terraria. That'd be awesome. Zoom. I love my character. I think he just looks great. Oh, okay, I do have climbing claws and ice skates. Actually, guys, I will be back in 2 seconds. Bam, 2. Told you. I doubt that was actually 2. I bet it was 0. Because I'm just that fast. Nope. Nope. I'm out of mana. Go, silver broadsword. Ooh, I got 2 stable key crystals. There's a robot. I want to kill it. No, I didn't mean to do that. Let's see if I can craft anything out of cactus. Nope. Wait. Oh, I have icy greaves. Okay, okay. I'm gonna have to do some inventory cleaning. Oh, and I forgot to summon Cyndaquil. You know, let's do some inventory cleaning right now. I don't need bricks. I don't need dirt. I don't need ninja stars. I don't need that. I don't need dynasty wood. Actually, I'm gonna keep the dynasty wood. And don't need that clay block. I can make a bunch of iron, so I'm gonna do that. Alright, there it is. Bam! 11 iron bars. Now I have 18. Any armor? Any armor? No. Okay. I want to go kill that robot. Cyndaquil. Dang, he one-shot that slime. Now I can just grapple. Alright, let's see if it's still here. And the robot's gone. Dang it. Hoping it was still here. But I guess not. I'll just collect all these cacti. Man, some things have really weird plurals, like cactus and cacti. I don't think I'm ready to go down there yet. I don't even have any armor. I mean, besides those pants. Oh no. Opal! Oh my gosh, it's doing nothing. It's doing nothing. Cyndaquil, help me. Oh my gosh, it's doing one. It's doing one. The heck is... Oh, I thought that was some mob, but it's just copper ore. No, 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 no! Ah, gosh, I am out of mana, so I can't do anything to the vultures. Alright, I'm alive. I got a desert feather. Oh, I found the jungle. So that means Skeletron's dungeon is that way. Useful information. I think I'm gonna go into a cave. A tiny robot. Oh, that was anticlimactic. I was hoping I would at least get to hit it. Barely even saw it. Bam! Opal. Ah. Alright, jungle lessons. Yeah, got it. Nope, nope, nope. Almost missed. Good thing I have that. Oh no. Why is the crimson always next to the jungle? Every time. Ooh, a chest. Do I have any torches? I do. It didn't jump again. There we go. I feel like that was kind of underwhelming for all that we did. But I will take the potions. And the recall. Oh, wait, no, I have the magic mirror. That's nice that I have one. Alright. Boom. And boom. Don't want to die. More crimson. Ooh, a heart crystal. Ooh, and a building. That's lucky. Alright. Yeah. And ooh, another chest. I just grappled past like everything. See what it has. It has silver bars. Do I have any silver bars? No, I do not. I guess I'll take the boomstick. And I'll take those blocks because I don't have any others. Let's probably mine that silver. And I'm out of room. Of course I am. Dynasty wood. I'm sorry. I might make it like an Among Us video sometime soon, but actually, I don't know. Maybe I'll try out the new airship. Ah, there's an ant. I tricked it. I lured it. Actually, yeah, let's go over here. I do not regret coming over here. I feel like my voice is so monotone. I need to have a little more oomph, you know? Be a little more exciting. Or else you guys will just fall asleep at my voice. And that would suck. Because then you guys would be bored. And this would be pointless. Ooh, ooh, ow. Heart crystal. Give it. Piranha! No, no. Alright, gotta place that. Then get my life crystal. Another! Man, this is becoming a life-gaining trip. And I'm getting a lot of silver, which is good. So I get armor. And there are a lot of bees. Bees are scary. I'm actually I think I'm a little allergic to bees. But I don't know. Yeah, let me talk. I don't know. Sidnequil, come back. I need you. Actually, maybe not. But I still want you back. That kind of looks like a curriculum. 19 throwing damage. Okay. I don't need you anymore. I saw something. Oh, it's just a big vein of copper. I'm out of mana. I gotta run. That's like a tiny bulb. Like a Plantera bulb. Mushroom biome. Break into the building. Oh, hey, Cyndaquil's back. There's the chest. Hermes boots. Guess I'll take down the family heirloom. Some more spellunkers. Some more healing potions. I really need to clean out my inventory. And I guess that's all for now. Some room at least. That's about to already get used up. What the heck? Got it. Can't reach me, can ya? Ah, what a nerd. Ah, it's gonna reach me. No fall damage. Yeah, it's something I figured out, that if you grapple before you hit the ground, you don't take fall damage. Alright, I got a proficiency up. I'll keep that. I'll keep the vine because I know you can make something decent with those. Pretty sure it's the jungle set. Alright, and I'm off. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Oh, it's the lizard temple. I'm dying. I don't want to be dying, but I'm dying and I died. That was a very successful trip. We got a bunch of heart crystals. Alright, what do I have in here? Do I have anything in here? Oh, nope, that's for clothing. Alright, this will be where I keep all my ores and valuables, including money. I wish I knew how to edit for you guys. That way you wouldn't have to watch me slowly put in all this stuff. Alright, any other ores? Yes. That. Alright, that's about all I want in there. That cleared a lot out, but I need to go turn my silver ore into bars. And craft. So, zoom! Alright, I got a 7 Cynical. Alright, well, he protects me. Bless me. Sorry. Wow, I got exactly another 17. Bam. Ready. See what else I can make. Fossil machine. I'm gonna go this way. I don't think I've gone this way yet. Man, these Hermie buttes make me feel so fast. Alright, snow biome, off the bat. Pretty sure that's how it is to the right most of the time. Ouch. Zoom. I might come out with a short video later today showing you what I got from my spins on Shindo Life on my bloodline. Because I am not spinning yin or acid. But we're not talking about it right now. Right now we're talking about Terraria. Fun fact, Terraria, from the last I know, is the 5th most joined server on Discord. That's impressive. Considering there are like probably hundreds of thousands of servers on Discord. There we go. And I can't do it. Dang it. Vine rope go. That was absolutely pointless. I didn't bring any blocks. How am I keeping him away? Will this work? Ah! Oh god, I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying. It worked. It somehow worked. Isn't it strange how all the Crimson Caves look like a mouth? Like there's and the way down is their throat. I just always thought that was strange. How long is this Crimson? How you can't get me, you weird Crimson Chimera thing. Dang, just random silver on land. What is it with me and finding silver? Alright, there. Now I'm safe. Just as I got out of the Crimson, I almost died to Crimson monsters. Alright. Don't die! Okay, good, I didn't die. Now I gotta run. I gotta run as fast as I can. Alright. So I'm currently on my way through the desert, as you guys can see. And I'm just trying to speed through here. Because deserts are terrifying. Alright, cool. I'm at the tree. Excuse me. Alright, I found Skeletron's dungeon. I wanted to come see if I could get a water bolt. Dang, I have 13 stars. Alright, alright. Are there seriously no books as far down as I can go? Scared. It's gonna be a dungeon guardian. Oh, yep, it's here. Ah, they're all here. And I'm dead. What's that? Did you see that red thing above him? Is the guide okay? I'm gonna see what I can craft out of this. Alright, cool. I can craft the key blast, the Z table. I need scrap metal. Let's see what else I can make with it. Alright, I can make a key blast, a key beam, a key wave, Yajirobe's katana, lesser key potion, master key scroll, novice key scroll, and I didn't get to read that. Why isn't Cyndaquil doing his job? Get out here. Let me talk to this man. Also, get back up. I was looking at what I can make out of key crystals. A Bukujutsu Guide Volume 1, Chorus Area. It has an ancient technique inscribed with it. Holding it makes you feel lighter. Alright, and these are all like key chips that make me do stuff. Alright, cool. Crafting window. More silver bars. Alright, cool. I have some mana. What else? What else? An arcane dust. It shimmers with magical capabilities. I'm gonna make one and see what it does. Oh, I can make stuff out of it. I can make a storm flare. When used with the grand flare gun, something might happen. Grand flare gun. Okay. So first I'll make the grand flare gun. Then I'll make the storm flare. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. It's not working. Well, no work. Oh, there's a boomstick. Some charcoal. Alright. Well, let's go try this in the desert, because it looks like something for the desert. Wait, where is the nearest desert? It is that way. Okay. I have to speed along. Wonder if it'll give me good stuff. Maybe it'll like summon a bunch of items from the desert. Oh, nope, it's a boss fight, it's a boss fight, it's a boss fight. It's a bird. It's a pig. Is it a bird? It's a plane. No, it's a bird. It's a giant bird. Where'd it go? Bird? Alright, the bird's coming back. Oh no, it's raining fire. It's raining more fire. I don't think I was ready for this. There are tiny birds now? I don't want your tiny birds. I don't want you either. Can you die, please? I beg of you. Stop chasing me. Need those hearts. I want these hearts too. But I can't get them because of the Grand Thunderbird. Ah, I need to get to them. I already got them. It's just over half health. I was not prepared for this. No, no, bad birdie. Bad birdie. Oh, dodge those ones. Alright, it's below half. It's below half. Ouch. But so am I think. I don't know. Oh, I need this mana. And then it has its little minions. We might get this. But just the little amount of stuff we have, we might beat our first boss, the Grand Thunderbird. Not so grand anymore, are ya? I take it back, I take it back. Please, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Don't kill me, don't kill me. I couldn't go under it. That was the plan and it failed. It only has 99 health left. Get it, get it, get it! It's like 60. It's so low. But it's so vicious. I killed it. Ooh, it dropped something. Hey, get back here. Wasn't done with you. Let's see what it brings. It brings me one of the tiny birds. I love it. Where's my mirror? There it is. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna ask what I can make out of the bricks or whatever I got. The sandstone ingots. I can make the wind gust. And the sandstone greaves, which this seems to be a throwing set. This is cool. Alright, I need this, a book, and a bookshelf. Didn't mean to do that. That was nice. We got some new ingots. Let's go see if I can make a helmet. Oh, I already have my silver on me. Ching, ching. Why are all these vine ropes on my house? Get off. I can make a helmet. I can make that helmet, but I want the book. I guess I'll save, and plus this one gives more. Bam! I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. And I'm going to make a silver pickaxe. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, if you want to, please consider liking and subscribing. And the next Terraria video will probably be building centric, and I'll focus on building AI houses. So catch you in the next one. Bye bye.